Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve this very interesting exponent problem in which we are given 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 4 raised to power x minus 512 is equal to 0. Bring this 512 to the right hand side, we get 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 4 raised to power x is equal to 512, and it can be written as 2 raised to power 9. Since their bases are same on both sides, their power will be equal. So we get 3 raised to power 4 raised to power x is equal to 9, and 9 can be written as 3 raised to power 2. Since their bases are same, their power will be equal. So we get 4x is equal to 2, and this can be written as 2 raised to power 1. 4x can be written as 2 raised to power 2x is equal to 2. Here as well, bases are same, their power will be equal. So 2x is equal to 1. Now divide both sides by 2. We get x is equal to 1 by 2. Now put the value of x, that is 1 by 2, in the given expression, that is 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 4 raised to power x minus 512, and let me know if it satisfies the given expression. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next.